To help understand when an entity is fully defined, sketch two circles, one with its center point on the origin and the other with its center point not on the origin. Both circles are underdefined because the diameter values have not been defined. Both circles are sketched circles. Use the Smart Dimension tool and define both their diameters. The circle located on the origin will be black. It is fully defined. Both its diameter and location are known. The circle with its center point not located on the origin will remain blue. It is not fully defined. Its location is unknown. This time, dimensions have been added to the circle not located on the origin. The dimensions define the circle's center point relative to the origin. It is now fully defined. Its color will change to black.